ultimately are a function of payout ratios and earnings. And the key variable here is earnings. The path for earnings over the first and second quarters this year will be pretty bleak, to be perfectly honest. But obviously what markets are looking at now is what happens next. And so the key thing there is what will the depth and the persistence of the economic downturn be, because that's what will then cause earnings to recover and dividends on the back of it. Now, there is a regulatory or government overlay in certain sectors, but I wouldn't expect that to spread across the broader market. So the key thing really is to understand the earnings profile of companies. And as mentioned earlier, just to be very, very confident in the balance sheets of the stocks that you are investing in.
Alex, it's Hadley out in Abu Dhabi. When you take a step back and think about what's happening with Asian markets, do you have a sense that China is past the worst of this? Because there's been so much controversy, hasn't there? Not just about their handling of COVID-19 and what's true and what wasn't true, but also, of course, whether or not the data that we're getting out of China is actually legitimate.
Well, China is acting as a sort of a test case for the rest of the world at the moment, because obviously they went into the crisis earlier, and as you say, they may have come out of it earlier, although it's probably too early to declare total victory because we don't know how the situation will pan out. One of the interesting things in China, however, is that what the coronavirus has done is it has actually accelerated certain trends which were in place already. So the ability to work from home, the need for increasingly sophisticated medical diagnostics, the need to service the domestic IT sector for things like internet security. So all of those sorts of longer-term structural trends, which we were pretty interested in anyway, they haven't changed. And I think that's really where we'd rather focus, instead of on a given GDP number or a given macroeconomic data point.
Hey everybody, it's Hadley Gamble from our new CNBC Middle East Bureau in Abu Dhabi. Thanks for stopping by. Now to watch more, you can try one of the videos that just popped up on your screen. And don't forget to subscribe.